Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. Okay, to continuation of the previous video, predefined functional interfaces, I'm going to continue with the first one, predicate. See, in this video, what is the predicate and how what are the methods are available in the predicate functional interface and example programs we will check here. Okay, a predicate is a predefined functional interface which takes a single argument parameter and returns the boolean value as a result. Okay, see, if you see right, public interface predicate, here t is the any object, okay, like integer, string, float, or a employee object or anything it can be, and having and taking the one parameter, that means one object is taking, and it is doing the conditional check by using the test method, and it will returns the boolean data, that means true or false. In general words, we can say it is a functional interface, takes one parameter and does the conditional check and returns the true or false. Okay, see, we will see how we can see the, some examples, then you can understand how predicate functional interface is going to be work out. Okay, now we will let us know when to use predicate predefined functional interface in real life scenarios. Okay, suppose in a college or school, find all students who is eligible for the scholarship based on their um, I mean backward compatibility. It means to say like a caste something, right? All people in the class is not going to be eligible for this scholarship. So to do that conditional check, we can use the predicate. And also like Amazon orders within the specific time range. Suppose time or date range, right? Suppose I want to pick the data from March 1st to June 1st. So we can do the predicate operator here by combining the two predicates here. Okay, start date and end date. Okay, and employee is older than the certain age. Okay, because right, at the age of the 60, employees need to be retired, right? So before that, by using the predicate operation, we can do the conditional check either this employee is eligible for retire or not. Okay, see, first we will see the predicate example, later we will see other default methods which is there in the predicate. Okay, see, I have written the one program. Okay, so which is the predicate test, and I want to test eligible for vote or not. If it is eligible for vote, right, as per Indian government, if it is greater than 18 years, then you are eligible for the vote, then it need to be true, otherwise false. So this is the before Java 8 programming style, where we can do the conditional check or write the method and do the conditional check if and else and all. Okay, let's run this program. See, I have given the 20 A's and creating the object and passing the A's in the method. Okay, and I am displaying this in sysout. See, whatever the data is returning, right, that is returning true or false. Okay, suppose if I given the 9, it is a false. Okay, before Java 8, these many code lines we need to return. Let's suppose write by using the predicate. Okay, forward slash, where is backward slash? Yes. See, before that how many lines we have written? We have written almost 20 lines of code. Okay, now if you remove this condition, right? It is a half of the code has been reduced. Okay, yeah, I have formatted also. So half of the code has been reduced. Now let's run the same conditional check like age. See, in the predicate, right, predicate is the single argument parameter it will take, and whatever the given input, right, in test is the default, predefined functional interface method. Okay, that means public abstract method which is there in the functional interface. I will show you exactly how it is looks like. Okay, so we are giving the test 15 of predicate. So now we will run this program. See, 15 is the less than 18, right? So it is returning the false. Suppose if I want to find the given number is even or odd. Okay, let's take the value equals to 0. If the percentage of the value is equals to 0, then it is the even, right? Otherwise it is the odd. Here 15 is odd number, it need to be written false. See, it is. See, predicate is the functional interface which takes the single argument parameter, and it is having the method called test. So the test method will take the single argument parameter and returns the given return value. Okay, here the return type is the integer. If you see the predicate functional interface, at the rate of functional interface, see, at the rate of functional interface is the way we can define the functional interfaces, right? So in this predicate functional interface, we are having the boolean test is the abstract method, and other default methods are there. See, default predicate and is the one method, negate is the another method, and another default method is R. Okay, here three different default methods are there, and also it is containing the equals method. That means, as you aware of that, right, one functional interface must have single abstract method and any number of default methods and static methods. See, in the predefined functional interface also it satisfies. Okay, now we will go and see what are the different predefined functional interfaces methods are available. Okay, as I shown you over there, right, I have neatly formatted here with valid points. Okay, predicate has other default and static methods. Why it is required means to join or chain together other predicate operations. Okay, this and or negate or equal operators are going to be chained more than one predefined, chain together predicate operations. Okay, more than one we can do. See, this is how it is going to be look like. Suppose if you are using the and as a join operator, right, or default method we are going to use, the syntax is going to be written like predicate and operator, and also we need to write the superset of the predicate. Okay, so what and returns means, as you are aware of that, computer programming is having the short circuit logical operators like and, or, negate. The same functionalities here it is going to be written. Okay, like and returns a composed predicate that represents the short circuit logical and of this predicate of another. Okay, when we are going to join together, right, so one predicate operator is going to be false, then other predicate operator is not going to be evaluated. We will see the example, you will understand. Okay, so I have already written the predicate and operation, right. here I have taken the I'm going to evaluate the program, like a program to find the word start with s and length is greater than 5. If you want to write without predicate, right, you need to write so many lines of code, but here, right, I have written with predicate operations, two predicates, predicate 1 and predicate 2. Okay, here string of array having this set of words. Okay, I am going to find the start with yes. Okay, in this predicate, right, yes, I have given yes starts character of 0, right. If you are giving this character of 0, then whatever the character of the word is starting with yes, it is going to be hold. Okay, predicate p1 s1 dot length greater than 5, right. I am going to print which is going to be having the greater than 5 length. Okay, so how exactly predicate join is going to be happen work, right. P1 dot and is the operation, right. However, I have defined here, see, this is the predicate operation and again one more predicate operation of the superset. Okay, and test method. So this is how you are going to join the two predicate functional interfaces. See, let me run this program. See, here in this string array of words, right, I have given spring boot, sun, spring microservices. Okay, so here spring boot is the which is greater than 5 length and start with s. Here sun also start with s, but the length is less than 5. So this is how you can join one or more predicate operations. If now we will see the or method. Okay, or default method. See, this is the also a default method which is present in the predicate. Okay, or, and it will take the another predicate as the value. Okay, this is also a short circuit logical operator or. Suppose, right, if the predicate of the first one is true, then other predicate is not going to be evaluated. Okay, see, we will see the example, you are going to be understand. I have written the one program like integer array of numbers. Okay, 2 4 9 6 8 12 15. Here, right, predicate integer of I lambda expression of I greater than or equals to 7. See, what I am trying to do here is I want to display a number which is going to be a greater than or equal to 7, and predicate p1 equals to I greater than equals to, I want to display the odd numbers. See, whatever greater than 7 and need to be display the odd numbers. Whatever we are going to do, right, I divided by percentage of 2 not is equals to 0, then it is going to display the odd numbers. Here I am going to I am doing the for each loop. Here, right, p1 p dot or p1 dot test. See, any of the order we can take that. Okay, but here I have taken the p dot or, that means I am joining with p1 dot test. Okay, here I am going to return the data which is going to be greater than 7. Okay, let's see if it is greater than 7, right, and not is equals to, see how it is going to be evaluated. That means first condition is true, then second condition is going to be ignored, right. How it is ignored? See, as per our program, right, if it is not ignoring like a or operator, then what need to be displayed? If it is a greater than 7, means 9 12 15 need to be displayed, because and also odd operator if you do the and. Since it is a odd, right, it is going to be satisfy the both the conditions. Okay, so greater than equals to 7 and odd numbers and even numbers both, that means second statement, this statement is going to be ignored. So this is how we are going to be use the OR method or default method. Now we will see negate. Negate is also a default method in the predicate functional interface. It returns that represents the logical operator negation of the given value, okay, given predicate. We will see with example, you will understand. See, I have written the one predicate I greater than or equals to 15. Another predicate I have given like a negate predicate here, yeah, because it should be in camel case parameter names, okay. So here predicate dot negate, how the negate is going to, if you see the API, right, see default predicate and negate method. See, whatever the negate is there, it is going to be do the test operation and it is going to return the, suppose if it is a true, then it need to be written false. If it is a false, need to be written true. That means negate of the given value. Okay, here, right, I'm going to evaluate the one test like a predefined value, okay, and given the 70 as the value, but here I have given the 50 greater than 70. Okay, let's see what it is going to be display. Given number is less than 50, false. That means actually given number is greater than or equals to, I mean 70 is greater than 50 is less than 70, right? So it need to be true, but what we did is negate the value of that. Sometimes our programming requirement is like if it is true, need to be written false, if it is a false, it need to written true. Such kind of situation we can use this negate method, okay. And final method is static method, that is the equal method. See, this is equal method, how it is going to be written is, right, it returns the predicate that tests the two arguments and equal according to the object class equal method, okay. We will see example. See, is equal, since it is a static method, right, we can call by using the interface, that means interface or class, right. Since it is a static method, I have taken the predicate string and my name is equal Krishna. See, whenever I am doing the test, right, as a single parameter argument I have given to the test of this predicate string, this need to be written true, because, right, it is equal. That means it is going to be compare the object class equals method. Whatever the second string I have written, right, it is a Murthy, so it is not equals to the Krishna, so it need to be written false. Let's see what results it is going to display. Okay, this is how it is going to be operate, okay. So the predicate additional default and static methods, right, it is going to be used for the joining the predicates, okay. So as per our programming requirement, right, in future whenever we are going to use the stream API, so the predicate is going to be used under the filters conditions or map conditions. We can see how it is going to be used in upcoming videos, okay. For more videos of the Java 8 tutorials, please subscribe my channel. If you like this in content of the video, please like, share the video share the video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much for your time.